Today, we're going to show you how to protect your Pixel Watch. So here we have the Olixar screen protector for the Pixel Watch 2. This is going to prevent scratches and scrapes on your Pixel Watch screen. Because the Pixel Watch has a really curved screen, it does mean it can pick up scratches fairly easily. So you're going to want to pick up one of these screen protectors to protect it from scrapes and accidental cracks. First thing you'll want to do is turn off the Pixel Watch. Then grab the cleaning wipe and wipe the whole screen, making sure no dirt or debris is left behind. Next up, grab your microfiber cloth and then wipe the screen until there's no moisture left on. Then finally, grab the dust stickers and dab them on the display, making sure no dust is left behind. Now finally, grab the screen protector, spin it round so this little notch lines up with the crown on the watch. Then you can peel off the protective backing. Then place this onto your watch. Then push from the center outwards. Then, when it's in place, grab the microfiber cloth and just give it a wipe over. If there are any bubbles, just push them towards the edge of the screen protector so they release out. And there we go. The screen protector's now installed. I'm really impressed with this screen protector as it's very thin and you barely notice it. While it doesn't go all the way around to the edge, it will definitely get most of the scuffs that will happen on the Pixel Watch. There we go. The best and cheapest way to protect your Pixel Watch 2 screen. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to purchase this exact product, check out the links in the description too.